What's up guys, Neil and Dennis here with Stick Mobility. Today we're going to show you some more options on how to train when you have a bum wheel.
So Neil's going to get down to supine position here. Going to bring this right leg and hip up to 90 degrees of flexion. He's going to grab the stick and he's going to place it so it's parallel to the floor. From this position, what we can have him do is, imagine there's a little marshmallow here and he's going to compress that little bit of marshmallow and it's going to activate that pelvic floor. And from this position, he can then activate by taking the stick and gently pushing the stick into the leg and then push the leg back into the stick. There should be that reciprocation. We want him to breathe diaphragmatically. Excellent. Hold that for about 6 seconds and then release, and then we'll repeat that process. So compress, activate pelvic floor, and then gently push the stick into the leg, and then the leg should reciprocate back into the stick. Breathe diaphragmatically, and relax for 6 seconds. 6 second hold, and then relax. So we can repeat this for anywhere from 3 to 5 repetitions, then switch legs. And compress. Nice, nice. Breathing. Relax, good. Now, if we wanted to, we can actually have him roll pattern out of this also. So he can bring that, let's have him bring the right, left hip up at 90 degrees. We're going to compress, push the leg, the stick in the leg, reciprocate back, and now gently start to roll. So we're hitting the oblique sling, getting the rotary pattern going. Come back with control, slow. And now roll to the right, breathe, nice. You see all this activation taking place through the rotary muscles. He'll come back and he'll relax. Perfect. So once again, just because you got a bum wheel doesn't mean you can't get your body moving. Stick mobility, movement made better.